KHASI Trap Integrated Territorial Organization kala Pynpaw Halor ke Jingkiew State jong ke Jingshalan tu iki Masi na Meghalaya Sha Bangladesh dak bakentu yung Menteri Ketenat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary upa ALHEC Panjim Kia haka Jingkiew ke Hito kala IT ke Dorcas dak Pynpaw ke Jingshalan tu iki Masi klem daya lingba kebernihan haka ban nakal yang ki BSF kila julap man kapor Halor ke ni ke Jingkiew bian Nagaliang ubah hek. Ula kubur dia ketika matbat ula pensyai baka Jingshalan ya ki jingri kam day kebabean. Hinre ula pentikna ba on sepen bed ya baro ki jing e. Ula pentikna bakila bo artli ki Jakarta lasi kai Masi. Bat banset kerpang ya ki Masi ki bedang Suwandra.
We are giving a very valid point and also suggestion that whenever we are bringing the livestock for consumptions in the state of Meghalaya, we don't have a proper health care center from the government of Meghalaya. But I told them, last 2 years we have received sanction from the government of India to move for the construction of the health check care center of the livestock. So that is the construction is going on. One is at Narang, Reboy district. One is in Nidanpur.
Ka committee Halor ka